Hey, it's your girl Tanae and I'm back with another video. So before you get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video. So I'm all bundled up and everything because I'm heading to the Amtrak. I'm down to Penn Station because I am heading to Providence to spend the weekend with my best friend, but also my other best friend is bringing a blessing into this world, so we are celebrating her and her new family. Her baby shower is tomorrow, so I want to bring y'all along with me. Let's go. We gotta get to this train now. Bye. I'm into the train. It looks like it's gonna be a full train. See y'all later. Bye.
Egg whites got all over the counter.
I made it to Providence with Kiana. Right now we are in Stop and Shop because she has to pick up some things for the baby shower tomorrow, and I got some stuff for my tea. Eating my Chipotle on Kiana's fancy couch. The DIY mommy, okay? Let me show y'all. So she spray painted all these things, right? And then we got Miss Betty Crock.
Sorry.
We got Miss Betty Crockett here. Okay. She is doing the damn thing. I'm gonna probably be the one that eat the most cupcakes, but hey, at least they'll be gone. I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna try to help her. I say try because I might be more of a distraction than of assistance, but I'm gonna try my best. So we got the laundry max. Kiana is putting her laundry. So we ate Chipotle's. And then we did some decorating stuff. Kiana had me put in sugar water on the cupcakes. That's what I'm doing right here. You see me? I'm doing a little something. Then we ran to Walmart. And now we're at the laundromat. And their lighting is A1. I watched Mean Girls too. And they have to stop remaking movies or just making add-ons because they're just killing the vibe.
Yeah. Not the one in the video. Oh my gosh.
She got the butter here. I forgot why you say you make the butter.
Rice Krispies.
Oh, the Rice Krispies. This is cheesecake mix. And then these are all the amazing cupcakes she has made. And this is all the other stuff she has to make.
Not make, just decor. Decorating.
Decor. Chef, whenever she need me, I'm here. Yeah, I mean, being a sous chef for Kiana is not that bad. But yeah, we here. We're doing it. It is. Oh my god. It's currently 1:21 in the morning. But Kiana got a lot done today. I'm very proud of her.
I did. A mess. Chef's always look a mess, though. Look at it. I know I look a mess. Yeah, and do it 4 more times. Go.
Oh. She's making Rice Krispies, y'all. From scratch. Look at the rice. Look at the oh, look a little boy. Why every time I touch this box?
Come on, son.
The microwave. Oh shit. The microwave goes on. Whip it. Real good. Bump up. Like this? Or like the whole face?
I would do one whole back end like that. The ears in the back end are cute. I'm not gonna lie.
Look at that boy, Tyson. He peed about like 3 times already.
All right, let me go upstairs.
We've been at Akeda's house for some while now. And I just came in super mode decorating. So I'm gonna show y'all some things that I did already. Or should I just wait to finish product? I'm gonna wait to finish product, show y'all. But yeah. Watch me blow up some balloons. I finally finished and I just wanna show y'all what I did, how I decorated and stuff like that. Most of the stuff Akeda created, but I'll show you what I did specifically. Akeda's like, she's a green person, so this is her plants, and I just set it up. So this is the mirror she created, and she created these cute centerpieces or like decor things. And then I did the balloon arch. Kiaina spray painted these, and then I just glued everything together. Everything. And then the desserts and stuff, I'll show you. Kiaina made them, Akeda made them as well. Let me show you. Y'all saw I'm the Black Kim Possible, Afro-Latina, Puerto Rican. Okay, but I'm a little thick on this side. I don't know if Kim Possible is this thick, y'all. I don't know if she heavy like a Chevy, like, wait. And Kiana's Joy. From what movie?
Inside Out. Oh
Inside Out. Oh, you can't see Kiana.
You don't have no damn soul.
I don't. Anyways, let's go see them play games.
While pregnant. You can't go. If you go to labor, you lose. If you pop your baby, you lose. Take care of your baby. Ready?
You gonna sit or stand? No, you gotta tie.
Wait, is it a race?
If you're not even caring for your child, he doesn't want Stay through the holy baby. And taste. Taste.
Do they say it out loud?
Yeah.
What you think it
All
is?
your guesses. It might be in the law.
I really appreciate you inviting me to your family dinner, but never again, please. The seasoning on your mom's chicken marsala was pathetic.
Your mama can't season.
If I don't win this one, I'm quitting.
That is mad funny. The mother read the text message. She said, "Hello, this is Karen's mother. She's in the shower and left her phone on the table. I'll pass along your message."
I feel bad for her.
Sorry, Daddy. Think we should start seeing other people. Oh,
Ooh, that's
a good one. That was you?
No.
Oh. That was this one.
You didn't even get
What?
it.
I don't mean that because my class is good.
The mother one?
The first one,
The mother one was
The mother one was good. The mother one was really good.
And so was Sorry Daddy, because the dad is saying that he don't like his wife food. Like,
No, that one was bad.
No,
those are really actually really
They are. Oh, I think The Incredibles is my favorite.
And when your baby gets too big for wearing, Tyson can wear them.
Stay in these for like a month, and then they be out.
Hey y'all, so we back and we got some food. Hey y'all, so my weekend is over. I didn't capture anything from this morning, stuff like that, but I'm on a train heading home. So thank you for spending the weekend with me and going to Akeda's baby shower with me.